If you want to check your blocked accounts on Pinterest, then here's what you're going to do. First step is you're going to make sure that you're logged into your Pinterest.com website or from your app. And then from here, we will be able to see the blocked list on our social permissions from the settings. So we're just going to head over to the settings right here at the bottom left corner of the screen. So if you're using an app, you can usually find it from your profile and then just click settings from there. Just click on settings from settings and support if you're using the website. And then from here, we're just going to head over to social permissions from the left side panel. And then from here, we're going to scroll down until we find the blocked accounts section. Right here, we will be able to manage the people we've blocked from here. And then we're just going to see this button that says see list. So we're going to click on that and then we will be able to see all of the blocked accounts that we have here. You can also search for any specific people or person that you want to unblock, or maybe check if you're currently blocking them. So that's it. That is how you can be able to check your blocked accounts on Pinterest. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.